Hi, I'm Kira Sowers from Healthy Habits. Today we are making 2-minute omelets. The ingredients you need for this recipe are 2 eggs, and really anything that you like inside of your omelet. What I'm going to have is cheese, tomatoes, and peppers. First, we must cut up our pepper. Alright, then you cut up your tomato. I've already cut one up. I'm going to cut another one so you can see how small you want them. Alright, that should be enough. And then I also have cheese. Now you must break your eggs into a bowl such as this. Alright, now that's all whisked up. Before you cook your omelet, which in the microwave you will cook it for 1 minute, you have to have a plastic bowl and put your other bowl on top of it so that the heat can get to the bottom of the bowl, or otherwise your egg will just cook on the outside and still be goopy on the middle. The bowl in the center, you put your omelet and your eggs, and you put it in for 1 minute. Now that your eggs have been in the microwave for 1 minute, they will look like this. Then you spread your cheese on, well, I'm putting my cheese on it. If you're doing cheese, you put it on, and then you put it in for another minute. Now that your omelet has cooked for another minute, careful, it's kind of warm, you take it over here and you want to put your vegetables on it. Or whatever you like, salsa or ham or anything really. Alright, then what you do next is you take, after you put your vegetables on your omelet, or eggs, you want to take something such as this and go around to make sure that it all can get off the bowl. And there you have an omelet. Enjoy!